This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook jerk chicken on the grill. Start by preparing your chicken, making sure it's dry and has several deep slits to absorb flavor. Now, let's create that iconic jerk marinade. Combine Scotch bonnet peppers, allspice, fresh thyme, and ginger with other aromatic spices. Generously coat the chicken, working the marinade into every crevice. For the best results, marinate for a minimum of 12 hours or even better. Let it sit overnight. This ensures a deep, authentic flavor. Next, we'll set up our grill for success. The key is two-zone cooking, one side for direct heat and the other for indirect. If you're using charcoal, pile your coals on one side. For gas grills, light half your burners to a medium-high setting. We're aiming for a consistent grill temperature between 325 and 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This setup allows for both searing and slow cooking, crucial for perfectly cooked jerk chicken. Now for the grilling. Start by searing your marinated chicken over direct heat for about 3 to 4 minutes per side until it develops a beautiful brown crust. Then, move the chicken to the indirect heat zone. Close the lid and let it cook for approximately 45 to 60 minutes. We're looking for an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Remember to flip the chicken every 15 minutes for even cooking and to achieve that perfect, smoky flavor. After grilling, it's crucial to let your jerk chicken rest. Transfer it to a cutting board and tent it loosely with foil for about 10 minutes. This resting period allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, ensuring every bite is incredibly tender and flavorful. Serve your delicious jerk chicken with classic sides like rice and peas, or perhaps a vibrant mango salsa. Enjoy this authentic taste of the Caribbean, a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.